Presiden ka BJP Meghalaya uba Ernest Mawrie ne ka sngi khat sautri ujliu lai thu ba kidon kinonyalam ka seng na ki district ki balapan pau ba ka BJP ka diban Weng no yaladi na ka Sorkar. Nreina kaliang jong ulada ban Kynjatshai ba yakni karai ansa shim de kinonyalam ba khli do ka seng na nong ba Delhi.
This when we have the State Executive Committee on the 25th of May in the presence of Jylla Meghalaya, some of the party caricators from various districts, they have expressed their view that we should come out from the government and withdraw the support. And where from me as the state president and from the General Secretary in charge of organization, we have given a clear statement that this matter has to be taken by the central leadership. And we have already communicated them, and it is their initiative, it is their prerogative to give the direction whether we should remain with the government or will withdraw support.
Ulai thu ruba ki angut ki MLA ka seng kidang ap ya karai na ka center lakin Weng ne lakidang dan lang bat ka Sorkar ula benrap da ka baong baki dei kinang buat jong ka seng kin ap ya karai na ki.
The view of the board, the MLA, they have to wait for the decision from center.
Shu ulai thu ruba ka BJP ka lapen kre na ka benta ka election ka banwan bat kumba ka long menta kidon lai pesan ngut ki kertong haki kunhun ba per. Ulai thu ruba kidon angut ki MLA ki badan ka jing temu berman penyeso syakaseng bat ukermen ba haki ni kendiat benai kin sapau syai.